from Iowa, the enjoyment artist. And today, as I went on about my day, cleaning and studying, I was reflecting on this tendency I have to fix it. This tendency of perfectionism that I have, and what is really sitting at the depths of that. What is really sitting under all this need to be perfect, need to fix, need to problem solve, need for a solution. I love for things to be perfect, to be nice, to be organized. And when I can't have that, I'll be crashing out, y'all. I'll be crashing out. And throughout this day, as I went on about my little productive tasks, like I'm a student, I'm a communications major, and I'm a business owner. I am a hair and nail artist, and I also curate events. So as I went on about my daily things that I needed to do, I took a moment to journal and meditate. And in this session of journaling, I wrote a piece. And this piece was sort of like a conversation between me and my shadow self. And I had a point in this day, like I had a point today where like I was just like upset because I feel like for the past couple years, I just put in so much effort into like creating this life that I wanted for myself. And it just hasn't panned out the way that I thought it would. And honestly, I've had a hard time with that. And I've had a hard time accepting that things just didn't work out and it's okay. And I think the reason why it's been hard is because I have this tendency of wanting to fix something. And I get very fixated on fixing something that it's like, I can't let things go. I can't transition. I can't move on. I get stuck. So here's the piece. I'm going to share it with you guys. I'm going to read it to you. It's called How to Fix Your Life and Manifest Your Dreams. A Conversation with Shadow. And this piece is about emotional visibility. And it goes, fixing it. Fixing what? Fixing me so everyone can be happy? What am I even fixing? My shitty skin, my life, literally everything. Now, what is everything? My bank account? Can't flex on these hoes if I'm broke. So is it fixing me so everyone can be happy or so I can prove something? Who is everyone? My parents, maybe? My Instagram followers? I don't know. I don't even be on Instagram like that. Who am I flexing on? People that my parents want me to prove something to, maybe? People my parents want to prove something to through me? Are those the people that I'm flexing on? Past lovers, past friends, haters, like are those who I'm trying to flex on? So all of this fixing doesn't even have anything to do with me. So now that we have come to that understanding, why do I need to fix it? I don't know. I just want to be okay, have savings, enough money to save, and extra to shop and experience life with my friends. Like, is that too much to ask for? So you need to fix yourself to what it sounds like having your basic needs. So you need to fix yourself from what it sounds like to have your basic needs, something that is your birthright. Do people whom are not fixed, quote unquote, not deserve their basic needs? What do you mean by fixed? Doing the right things that yields the prosperous results? What if you are doing the right things, but those things are not actively yielding the prosperous results according to your standards? I mean, tell me about it. I've been doing that for the past 7 years. Technically, you'd be fixed if you are doing the right things, right? So if it's not yielding as you fixed yourself so it could, does that mean you are not fixed? Bruh, I don't know, man. Like, I don't understand what any of that means. I'm actually feeling upset right now. There we go. Now clap for yourself. Because you just realized that there is no fixing. You are just upset. You are just upset about things not working out. You are not broken. You are just upset that things aren't working out. You are not broken. You are just feeling upset. And it's okay. It's okay to be upset. It's okay to be angry. It's okay to be mad. It's okay to feel these things. It's okay to be upset and not know what to do when things are not working out. But know that there's nothing to fix. Know that upset, that anger, that frustration just needs some space. Just wants you to sit with it. Remember, you have accomplished so much. Look at what you've created for yourself. You are the adornment artist. People know who you are. And the right people, clients, and patrons are actively finding their way to you. You have been doing everything right. You just need to accept that you are upset, that you are not where you thought you'd be. Yeah, isn't it disappointing? It can be disappointing. It's okay to feel disappointment. To feel disappointment for putting all this work in, hoping it would yield this specific thing that you had in mind since you were a child. But life just lifed. And it's okay to be disappointed. And it's okay to hold space for that. Now repeat after me. I am upset that things have not worked out the way I planned. I am upset that things have not worked out the way I planned. And that is okay. And that is okay. That does not make me ungrateful. It does not make me ungrateful. It is not a reflection of my ability to show up for myself. It is not a reflection of my ability to show up for myself. It is not a reflection on my ability to show up for the ones I love. It is not a reflection of my ability to show up for the ones that I love. I am upset that things have not worked out the way I planned, and that is okay. Thank you so much for listening. That was Fixing It, How to Fix Your Life and Manifest Your Dreams. A journal entry, like I said, that I wrote about just being dissatisfied and this need to do something about it. When sometimes, when I'm feeling like I need to fix something or something isn't perfect and I need to do something about it, it's usually because I haven't given myself the chance to feel whatever emotion I am feeling. Whether that be anger, whether that be anger or dissatisfaction, frustration, I have a really hard time identifying when I'm feeling those negative feelings. And this piece is really about allowing yourself to just have a moment when you're not satisfied or when you feel like you have to fix something, to really understand why you feel like you need to do something about something. And sometimes it might just be your body forcing you to sit your ass down and think about why you feel like you need to do something. Because literally when I wrote this, my body sat me down. I didn't have the conscious choice of I need to sit and figure out why I'm dissatisfied. It just happened. It's definitely not easy to let go of the one-size-fits-all mentality of if I do it this way, exactly this way, in this route, in this path, it should all work out in this particular way. Because even with this video, I filmed and edited this video and I've had it for 2 weeks. I could have been uploaded it, but I'm just it's just me typing on my laptop, on my iPad, doing my work and talking about feelings and emotions and shit. And just put it out, bro. Just put it out. No one really cares. You don't really care that it's not spectacular or that it doesn't have the glitz and glams that you're envisioning, and you don't even know how to alchemize to actually put it in this video. But you have something, and what you have is good. So just put it out. And there are people who are gonna fuck with it, and there are people who are gonna there are people who are gonna there are people who are gonna like it, and there are people who are not, and that's okay. Just put the video out. It doesn't have to be perfect. There's nothing you have to add to it. There's nothing you need to fix about it. Just let the world see you. There's a layer of wanting to be perceived in a particular way and trying to control. I think part of the wanting to fix something or wanting things to be exactly how you envisioned it, how you thought it was going to pan out. It's like wanting to have control and to have control over things. And I think I really struggle with that. Like I really struggle with like feeling like I can't have control over something, or and I think it definitely stems from my childhood of like going through a lot of things, a lot of major, very impactful, some detrimental things that I didn't have control of, and how it like really dictated how my life was and how I felt as a child. And a lot of those feelings were not good. So of course, I will try to do the opposite. If I didn't have control, and all these horrible things happened, or I didn't have the stability that I needed as a child, or I was adultified. I don't even know if that's a word, adultified, because of my lack of control. I had to just comply with certain things. And of course, the natural thing to do is try to have control over things, is try to fix things and be perfect. But I have something that I want to share. I don't know why I want to share, but I do. And I deserve to have that space. And my need to be perfect and control and to fix things should not get in the way of that. And yeah, I'm gonna leave this video with that. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Let me know if you want more, and don't forget, I want to see you again. It's the Dormant Artist, aka Maiwa.